7 habits to save more money, even if you make a low income. Struggling to save money because your income is tight? You're not alone. But here's the truth. Saving isn't just about how much you make. It's about how you manage what you have. In this video, I'll share 7 powerful habits that will help you save more, even if you're earning just enough to get by. Let's dive in. Habit 1. Track every expense. The first step to saving is knowing exactly where your money is going. Use a simple app or a notebook. Once you see the leaks, you can plug them. You'll be surprised how much you spend without noticing. Habit 2. Pay yourself first. Before you pay bills or buy anything, save something. Even $5 or $10 count. Set up an automatic transfer to a savings account as soon as you get paid. Build the habit, not just the amount. Habit 3. Cook at home more often. Food delivery and eating out can silently drain your budget. Even cooking 3 more meals at home per week can save you $100 or more each month. It's healthier too. Habit 4. Buy in bulk and shop smart. Buy non-perishable items in bulk when they're on sale. Things like rice, pasta, or cleaning supplies. And always make a list before shopping. The fewer impulse buys, the better for your wallet. Habit 5. Cut unused subscriptions. Netflix, Spotify, that fitness app you never use, they add up. Review your subscriptions regularly and cancel what you don't need. Ask yourself, would I pay for this again today? Habit 6. Practice the 24-hour rule. Before buying anything non-essential, wait 24 hours. Most of the time, the urge to spend will pass. This simple habit can save you hundreds of dollars over time. Habit 7. Use separate accounts for bills, spending, and savings. Separate your money by purpose. One account for bills, one for everyday spending, and one just for savings. This gives you clarity and makes it harder to spend what you meant to save. Saving money on a low income isn't easy, but it is possible. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to financial freedom. Which habit will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and if this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.